So you finally loaded up an account and you want to start trading indices because you know that that's where the money is. But you open up your MT4 and you do not see any indices right here on the left side. So you're probably asking yourself, how do I trade nas100? How do I trade us30? In today's video, it's very, very simple, very, very short, straight to the point. If you guys do not have a trustable or reliable broker, make sure that you use the link in the description. Henkel Trade is an amazing broker. But first and foremost, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to have your MT4 account obviously logged in, and you're going to want to go ahead and right click. Once you click right click, you can go ahead and click symbols. And then right here, you're going to see all the pairs that you can add. Okay, you can see right here, there's more. There's metal, gold, all your pairs, all your commodities, your assets right here. Okay, you can even trade oil. And if you want to go ahead and trade, indices, all you have to do is click this. And as you guys can see at the bottom right here, us30, SPX, which is the 500, and nas100. So all you have to do is literally double click this, double click this, double click this, and then press OK. And as you guys can see here, now they are showing. So let's say you wanted to go ahead and add nas100 to the chart. All you have to do is drag and drop. And now you're looking at the nas chart. Okay, so very simple, guys. Hope you like this video. I'm going to do these videos weekly, daily, very short, straight to the point. Hit that like button, get trusted signals, use automated trader. Simply amazing. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.